What is the ruling on a menstruating woman going to the masjid? The general rule is that a menstruating woman should not go into the musalla area. Nowadays, most masajid will have multiple areas inside of the masjid. So you'll have offices, you will have recreational spaces, and then you'll have the musalla area. The musalla area should be avoided by sisters that are menstruating. Are there exceptions to this rule? And the answer is yes. So for example, if there's a class that is going on, if she wants to attend the Jummah khutbah and she feels that is the only time of the week where her iman can be uplifted, then in those sort of situations, she can go to the musalla area and there's nothing wrong with that. Just keeping in mind that she should keep extra protection and make sure that there's no desecration or any harm that comes to the musalla area. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best.
Subscribe to this channel, share this video, and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified with every new video at Faith IQ. Jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.